I think there's two ways that there's two levels that you can operate on for publishing in Journal of Markets and Morality. The first is to lay out the general framework and clarify the terms and the concepts that you want to advocate. And so that's where I think just kind of defining what collective phronesis is in really precise terms that will resonate with philosophers will help. And then there's the second layer, which I think maybe that's not Journal of Markets and Morality, that's targeted towards a philosophy journal, where you actually justify the use of those concepts and build all those connections between the different layers of excellence and phronesis that you're describing in the paper.
Yeah, and I'm kind of hoping that there would also be a paper that I apply it to the actual regulation. So sort of the output of that would eventually I get to law.
Yeah,
But first, I think kind of defining what is the telos, what is the purpose, seems kind of an important aspect here as well. I mean, where does that fit into the literature? Like, because the question was raised, like, what is the point of all this regulation anyway? The foundational point.
Well, I have the understanding that next week there's going to be a paper which specifically talks about the telos of social objects and procedures. It might be called Aristotle on Corporate Purpose, and there might be some good material in there for you.
Wow. I'll be looking forward to that paper. Thanks.